the fact that we own all of these technologies is fundamentally important. Our goal was to identify companies that we felt were providing already the best technologies and were successful in key market areas.
And the fact that you now have one integrated system provider who owns all of these and brings these forward together in that integrated format, that's the real value. You just don't see that in the marketplace. No one's got that same system.
And the fact that it all resides under one roof really gives us the leverage to bring those together and offer a complete solution.
Not only at the point of sale, but the idea that we can support this for many, many years to come.
We can think about a system as a holistic value. We can think about how the various components play into the next set of parts and pieces.
What makes it work is when it all works together, and we have, both the technology and, more importantly, have the right people.
All of the companies we have, whether it be ZWE, whether it be Nihat, whether it be NRT, whether it be BHS, is typically a group of very intelligent individuals, but also have a very core hands-on aspect to it.
The ability for the BHS group of companies to succeed in all these different market areas and all these different processes is all about the people that are within it. We've gotten to that critical mass of knowledge and ability and experience working together to be able to deliver these systems.
All of our people are intimately knowledgeable about all of those technologies. Our engineers aren't just experts in conveyors and screens because they work for BHS. They're also experts in the way our optical equipment is designed and works, and how our air equipment is designed and works. So when we see a new or unique challenge brought to us from our customers, which is regular in this business, it's always changing, the challenge is always growing and always evolving, we have a much more broad tool set available to us to solve those problems.
That gives us the opportunity to not only develop the products, but we can also brainstorm and think about how those technologies or unique features might affect other pieces of equipment.
These systems are in for the long term. Every system has an expectancy of at least 10 years and will go through changes during that time period. It'll go through changes because technology develops. It'll go through changes because the business gets bigger. You really want a close relationship with a company that is at the forefront of development. Anything less is going to leave you at some moment in second place in your business.
By giving us an opportunity to build a turnkey plant, our customers are getting the benefit of our long-term ongoing dedication to innovative solutions.
Our customers benefit from that experience and that new technology, and they gain competitive advantages by being the first ones to have access to these new and improved technologies.
And the more we work with our customer to understand what their true needs are, the more that we can adapt the right technology and the right solution for their needs.
When I was in the recycling business and buying equipment, I would buy a system, we would look at the results, and the only thing I knew with certainty is that the person that I was speaking with at that moment wasn't responsible for anything, certainly not the problems.
The fact that we own all of our own key technologies gives our customers a single point of contact, one point of responsibility for anything that may arise during the startup, installation, or ongoing operation of the system, which is very reassuring to our customers.
If they're having challenges with the plant, or something's just going wrong, or it's not working like they expect it to, there's one accountable group for them to go to, and that's BHS. And we take care of everything.
These investment decisions in some cases are really, only made once in a lifetime, right? And the customer really has to rely on us to get it right the first time.
Well, this really is all about risk mitigation. So when you're buying a system, there's a significant investment, And the customer is really looking for a specific result. Certain throughput, certain recovery rate, certain labor count, overall OpEx. Because we're integrating all of these technologies, we're able to deliver that. If you don't control it, you're really just subject to the whim of the manufacturer with whom you don't have a relationship. This is just about risk. It's about working directly with that manufacturer. They have the expertise, they have the engineering know-how, they have the manufacturing capability to make sure that you're getting the right solution in all of its aspects.
BHS has really earned a reputation for delivering high-performance solutions, and it's a well-earned reputation for sure, because we've done it on many, many systems in many continents and many countries around the world, and in many material streams as well.
You're going to find that when you're working with somebody from BHS or NRT or NEHOT or Zero Waste Energy, that they are very focused on your needs. We're going to want to know what drives you, what's important for your business, and we're going to be really focused on making that happen. There's a tremendous level of pride here. You see it in everything that we build. You see it in all of the developments. The best way really to experience that, and we always encourage it, is for our customers to go look at the systems that we've built, talk to our current customers, come to our factory, meet our people, not just the salesperson, but look as deep as you want to look. And we know that you're going to be impressed with just how committed the people in the organization are. And that's something you can only get from a company that has such a wide range of services, such a wide base of talent, and such a capability mechanically, technically, and operationally that really doesn't exist anywhere else in the industry.